Okay, so this is a video number 2 from the TouchOSC series. In this video I'm going to show you the configuration on the RC600 end using the controls we created in the TouchOSC interface in the last video. So that's the rhythm start stop, the kit change, the master volume, the track sliders, and one input effects on and off button. So let's get started. First things first, we want to go to the assigns. So you press menu, across to the right once, press assign. We want to go assign number 1. Make sure the switch is toggled to on. And if you see here the MIDI CC hash number, the first button on TouchOSC was the rhythm start stop, and we set that to channel 1 controller 1, so CC1. That goes all the way up to 127. So CC1, we want the button to be a toggle, momentary on this end, toggle on the other end. When we come across, we want the target to be rhythm start stop. So when you move it around, get to rhythm start stop. Okay, that's that set. So when we trigger this now from the TouchOSC end, it's going to start and stop the rhythm. So that's the first assign. Come out of that, go to assign 2. CC2, which is our second button, which is the kit change. Again, make sure it's toggled to switch on. Source mode is momentary, or moments, page right, and your target is rhythm kit. So in this case, we're switching between the studio kit and the 808-909 kit. Target minimum, target maximum. So now when you hit that button, it's going to switch between those two kits. Okay, so coming out of that one, we're going to go to assign 3. And this one is, assign 4 we did on the TouchOSC end. So assign number 4, switch on, CC number 4, matching the OSC end. And over here, we want the master level, that's the target. So we set master level target, and that radial within TouchOSC will slide up and down the master volume. Okay, so when we move on for, say, the track 1 sliders, we'll configure that one. I haven't set that one up yet. We exit that, and we'll go assign number 5, which is going to be track 1 slider or volume. So we want to set this all the way around to CC5. Again, momentary, slide across, and then we want to go all the way through here to find track 1. Where are we? Track 1 volume, track 1 level, there it is. So track 1 level, you'll set that, and then that slider will be on control 5 and CC5, track level 1. And you do that across all of your sliders and faders for each of the tracks, depending on the CC we set in the TouchOSC end, the control number. All right, so once you've done all of those, the last one is the input effects on and off. So let's assume we use 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to number 10. So if we go across to assign 11, we want to turn it on, and we want this to be input effects A on and off. So that's going to be CC11, coming out of TouchOSC. Momentary at this end. And in here we want to turn this all the way around, same as last time. You can push down and hold to get to input effects A. Take it to there. Input effects A is target min is off, target max is on. So that will switch input effects A in bank A on or off. Alright, so once you've assigned all of those, you save the memory like normal, exit and enter together, press the right button and enter again. And now from the TouchOSC end, we can now trigger each of those CCs. Rhythm start stop, kit change, volume slider, master volume, and start stop. So that's the RC600 end. In the next video, I'll be talking about the CME MIDI master connection and setting that up and making sure that that's all working, and the connectivity between each of these things as far as setting up TouchOSC to send feeds to both the RC600 and to protocol, so you can troubleshoot any missing MIDI commands or mismatches between TouchOSC and the RC600. So that wraps up the video for today. Look forward to chatting to you again in video number 3. Cheers all.